Looking to take your child's math skills to the next level? Welcome to Math++ by igebra.ai, where school math meets data thinking and AI readiness. Designed for students from grades 4 to 10, this course goes beyond just solving textbook problems. We blend school-aligned math tuition with advanced thinking skills that prepare students for the future. Each class is a 90-minute live online session held once a week, giving students ample time to understand, apply, and explore concepts in depth. And with just 4 students per batch, your child gets focused attention, collaborative learning, and meaningful feedback. We also provide recorded sessions and backup classes, so learning never has to pause, even if life gets busy. With Math++, your child will not only strengthen academic math skills, but also develop the mindset to think in terms of data, patterns, logic, and real-world applications, all essential for a future in data science and AI. All this for just $169 per month. This isn't just about getting better at math. It's about building the thinking skills and confidence needed to thrive in a world driven by data and technology. Enroll now and give your child the Math++ advantage.